Hello, good evening and welcome to my today's video. I want to give you a quick update about the Forex robot that I'm using, and there are news very interesting. Please stay tuned till the end of this video. This one that I'm showing you, we are talking of the #1 robot, which is the training software that we are using on both accounts with two different settings, and I will show you which those settings are. You can see we started with this test on 13th of February, and today we had a total profit of 314. We have a few trades running, but it's always been very good, very not aggressive, and with a drawdown which is lower than 2%, which is amazing in my opinion. And in this account I'm working with two pairs, which are GBP USD and Euro USD, with a 0.01 starting balance, starting size, starting lot size. But now let's go and check something more interesting. We'll talk about this later. Yes, we will see this later in details. This is the one which works during the night only in Euro CHF. I will explain why of this loss. Okay, and now let's go with this other robot that we were talking about. So this is the other setting of the same robot, which started on 13th of February, same day. And here in this case we had profit of 1,291 since 13th of February. Today, February, maybe I said October, sorry. And today is 27th of February, so I think it is very interesting. But also interesting is, sorry, I want to show you something else. I want to show you this. Interesting is really the drawdown, which is absolutely very low, and I like it so much. Oh, it is working, guys. So let's go on, because I have many things to tell you, sorry. And this is, we already saw it. So in this case I wanted to find a way to make this same robot work in a more aggressive way, but always with a small account. So what I did is, always with the same FBS broker, I opened two accounts, each one of $5,000, SENZA accounts, which are the one that, you know, it's a SENZA account. So my real balance was $5,000, and now but I am working with $500,000, and today, only today, I had this kind of results. Of course I started with one lot to make a test, then 3 lots, then 10, and then 100 lots. So what I have to tell you is this, that I'm doing this because, of course, if this balance is not real, because the real balance is $5,000, in this case we have a profit of $64. Okay, but you have to know this. So if the interesting thing is not this, sorry, detail. I wanted to show you too big emotion, sorry. Okay, detailed report. Okay, let's give a look at this. What is really astonishing and amazing is the drawdown. We had a 0.00 drawdown, no maximum drawdown, no relative drawdown. Okay, today is my first day of test, because I want to invest $5,000 and I want to trade really in a safe way, I know I have to force a little bit because I want to have good results, such as they could be, I don't know. But in this case, if I would have started all with 100 lots, for sure now I will have earned at least 300, something like $300 or maybe 250, but it's very, very, very good, and I like this because it's a way to work safe, because you know there is always the risk to burn the account trading on with expert advisors, which are so much performing. So now let's talk about the Euro CHF robot, which is working only during the night. Let's see how it behaved last Friday night. This is the result with the FBS account. The issue is that normally it doesn't open positions during the Friday night because the market closed at 11 my time, at Italian time. So, but in this case, it opened a position. So it stayed pending for all the weekend. When it opened again, the markets will open again. You know, there are big gaps. And what happened is that it closed the positions with losses because of stop loss. And so I suggest the one that I use in this robot to turn it off on Friday during the day, so it will not open positions during the night. And we can be sure it will not happen this again. So please give me just 2 or 3 days more to test it also, because I'm testing it on other ACN accounts. But the issue between in ACN accounts is that, as I suppose you all know, there are commissions to pay. So sometimes the balance, there is not a good balance between profit and commissions. It's hard to have a profit because you have to pay commissions because you have a low spread. But now I'm testing about 3 different brokers, 3 different SCN brokers, and I will let you know in which one this is performing the best. But I care to tell you that in every case we have always the President robot, which is performing so well since a long time, and I'm very comfortable with it. We can work with FPS even if we choose to work, for example, with a SENZA account or instead of a standard account, things like that, to trade safe and have a good profit at the same time. So I thank you for your attention, and I care to see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.